Still as a breeze, a river flowing deep. Don't wanna leave the air you breathe. Living mirrors dreams when I think of you and me. Don't wanna leave the world you see. And
Hi everyone, so here I'm doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. It's very soft and romantic, so I have clean face but I have already done my eyebrows, and now I will be priming my eyes using e.l.f.'s eye primer. I'll apply it a little bit onto my lids and I'll blend it with my ring finger really nicely because I want my eyeshadows to stay longer. Okay, so this is one eyeshadow tutorial. So I'm using this eyeshadow. This is Expensive Pink by MAC. You can use any shimmery or satiny eyeshadow, preferably rose gold or gold. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm just dusting the color onto my lids like this. I'm not really concentrating on the color yet, but I'm just lightly dusting the color onto my lids. Now I will take my ring finger and I'll take the color eyeshadow on it and I'll just apply it to my lid area. This will make the eyeshadow concentrated and more pigmented on my lids. Also, as it's a light colored eyeshadow, I'm just gonna apply it to my inner corners as well. And then I will take a small fluffy brush and I will start blending the harsh lines. Yes, I'll just blend the harsh lines and I will not go up to my brow bone, just onto the crease. Then I will take my Arch Arrival Brow Definer in Cherry Brown by Sugar and I will line my eyes with it just like a liner, and I will smudge that brown eyeliner as well. So just to get that really nice hue of brown liner onto my lids. As my eyes are simple, I'm just gonna make them a little more dramatic by adding lashes, and I'm using M70 by PAC. These are gorgeous lashes, one of my favorite lashes by them, and I'm just gonna apply them and I'm just gonna press my fake and original lashes together, and here they are. And now I will be using Wonder Pencil by NYX in the shade medium, and I will be lining my waterline with it to make my eyes more open up and big. Then I'm gonna take a brown eyeshadow and I'm just gonna smudge a little bit onto my lower lash line. This is just optional, you don't have to do it. I just did it to make my eyes look more big. Now time to do something of my dark circles. I'm taking Fit Me Concealer in 30 Cafe by Maybelline. I'm just gonna apply to my under eye dark circles, and then taking a fluffy concealer brush, I'm just gonna blend it. I'm also gonna apply the same concealer to my problematic areas like around my lip area, and I will blend it with the same concealer brush. Now for the foundation, I opted for BB cream. I'm using Goddess of Flawless by Sugar and I'm in shade Chococcino. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my face and then I'm gonna blend it with my PAC 003 brush. It's an amazing brush, and yeah, I'm just gonna blend it really nicely. I used BB cream because I want my actual skin to peep in. That's why I used the BB cream. And then I'm just gonna take my Instant Eraser dark circles and I'm just gonna apply to highlight my under eye area, nose, foreheads, cupid's bow and chin. Then by taking the same PAC brush 003, I'm just gonna blend it all really nicely. Now for the blush, I want to keep it glowy and very natural, so I'm using Prism Blush by MAC. I'm just gonna contour with the same, and I'm just gonna apply it to my nose as well to contour a little bit, and I'm also gonna apply it to my jaw area just to give a little contoured look. And then this look is all about glow, so I'm just using Glow Illuminator by MANNA KADAR, and I'm just applying directly from the tube and then just using a small stippling brush to blend in. As my lashes are really dramatic, I'm not using mascara on my upper lashes. I'm just using this mascara to my lower lashes. This is Lashes Push Up Mascara by Matte Look. And now it's time to do lips, and I'm using lip liner by Lakme in shade Brick Rose, and I'm just lining my lips usually, and I'm going for a very nice muted pink nudish kind of lips, so that's why I chose this kind of like a nude shade. And then I'm using liquid suede by NYX in the shade soft spoken, and I'm just gonna apply it really nicely onto my lips. It looks like a glossy lip first, but it dries matte, and this is my complete look for the Valentine's Day. Really soft, glowy makeup look. I really hope you like this tutorial. If you really do like, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then please help me grow, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay beautiful, and stay healthy, and happy Valentine's Day.